Okay guys, so we're going to talk about different types of solutions. So far when you were solving equations, there was always one solution. Sometimes we can have no solutions, and sometimes we can have what we call infinitely many solutions. So let's look at an example. Okay. Here, let's solve this equation. Let's go about it like we know how to. So we're going to do our distribution. Get negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 8x minus 2. I want to bring all my variables to one side. I have negative 8x, so I'm going to add 8x. That's going to get rid of them. I have negative 4. Get rid of them here too. Equals negative 2. Is that true? Does negative 4 equal negative 2? This is false. So that means no solution is possible. If we solve an equation and we get a false statement, impossible. Now let's look at this one. So we're going to do our distribution. Get 3 minus 9x minus 8. I'm going to clean it up. I can do the 3 minus the 8. 3 minus 8 gives me negative 5. What do you guys notice? Look at how this side and this side are the exact same. When that happens, you're going to have infinitely many solutions, but we're going to keep going. Let me bring all the variables to one side. So I'm going to add 9x to both sides. That makes them disappear. And I'm left with negative 5 equals negative 5. This is always true. Always true. So what that means is there's infinitely, let's write it, many solutions. I can put any number for x, any number in the world, and it would work. So let's practice a little bit. Let's see here. Did we already do this one? No, we did not. No. Let's do our distribution. We have 6x plus 6 minus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. 6x minus 3x. That's going to give me 3x. And then I still have the 6. Look, guys, it's the same thing. Same thing on both sides. That means it's going to be infinitely many solutions, but we can keep going. Let's subtract 3x from both sides. We get 6 equals 6. Infinitely many solutions. What about here? Let's see what happens. 6 times 2x, that's 12x, and then 6 minus times negative 6, negative 36. Negative 7 times negative 2x, that's 14x, positive, and then we have minus 28. I'm going to bring all my variables to the left side just because I like to. 12 minus 14x, that's negative 2x. And I'm going to add 36 to both sides. I get 8 equals negative 2x. And I'm going to divide by negative 2. X equals negative 4. This is just one solution. This is what we always know. Don't forget, this is still possible. You could still only have one solution. I'm going to ask you to pause the video to try these, and then you can check with me. Do that right now. Okay, let's see. So we have 8 times 5x here and times negative 3. So that's 40x minus 24. Here we distribute. We get negative 18x minus 24. Let's see what happens. I'm going to add my 18x to both sides. 40 plus 18x, that's 58x. And minus 24 equals negative 24. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to add 24 on both sides. I get 58x is equal to 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 58. X equals 0. This is still one solution. Okay, but notice x equals 0. This is not saying there's no solutions, but it's saying the solution is x equals 0. And then let's try this last one. Let's do some distribution here. Get 3x minus 13 equals 7x plus 14 minus 4x plus 28. Let me clean it up a little bit. 7x minus 4x, that's 3x. 14 plus 28, that's going to give me 42. And then I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. I get negative 13, because these go away, and these go away, equals 42. Guys, this is false. So that means no solution. Negative 13 cannot equal 42.